Alright, par 3 we're at. Here we go. Bush chooks are just dying out off into the distance there, the green, the flags in over there. Testing the wind speed.
Got to get it over the car.
Yeah, look, sorry, look, if she misses the... We're sorry, Mum, if we lose a window here, but she's trying. She's up. I'll tell you what, that GPX 6000... Hold your breath, people, hold your breath. I reckon I've seen it land, or I reckon you're on the green. We shall mosey on up there and let you know how we go. Good shot, bush chook style, well done. Green and gold, Aussie all the way. Whoop.